exploring the delights of chicken pot pie, a culinary journey. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into a delicious topic: chicken pot pie. This classic dish not only offers a taste of traditional American cuisine but also provides a great example of English language in use. Let's explore what makes a chicken pot pie so special and how it fits into the English language. Chicken pot pie is a savory pie filled with chicken, vegetables, and gravy, all enclosed in a flaky pie crust. It's a comfort food beloved in many parts of the world, especially in the United States. The name itself is quite descriptive. Chicken, the main protein in the dish. Pot. Originally, these pies were cooked in pots. Pie, a type of baked food with a crust and a filling. The concept of a pot pie dates back to ancient times, but the American version, with its chicken and vegetable filling, became popular in the 19th century. It reflects a blend of simplicity and practicality in American cooking. This dish is often associated with home-cooked meals and family gatherings, highlighting its cultural importance. When learning English, understanding phrases like chicken pot pie is crucial. They demonstrate how English often uses compound nouns, words that combine to describe something more specific. This is common in English, especially in food terminology. Recognizing and understanding such phrases can greatly enhance your vocabulary. Let's briefly discuss how to make a chicken pot pie. 1. Prepare the filling. Cook chicken and vegetables in a gravy. 2. Make the pie crust, a simple dough that's rolled out and placed in a pie dish. 3. Assemble and bake. Fill the crust with the chicken mixture and cover with another layer of dough. Bake until golden. This process not only teaches us about cooking but also introduces us to cooking-related vocabulary in English. We hope this video has given you a taste of both delicious food and useful English vocabulary. Chicken pot pie is more than just a dish, it's a part of language and culture. Happy learning and, if you're feeling adventurous, happy cooking as well.